I'm standing here with Miss MacMurray from Medina, Ohio, and we just painted the front of her house and it really looks beautiful. And I have just a couple questions. The first one would be, how did you hear about Color Renovation?
I actually heard about them just from going on Google and just did a search engine and then looked through there, and then I made a couple calls and they got really good reviews and started to just read through the reviews and looked very interesting and made a call and talked to Don. And
Oh, great.
after doing a quick interview with Don, had him out to the house and met with him, and he seemed very friendly, and we went from there.
Well, thank you. And on a scale of 1 to 10, what kind of a job do you think we did?
Outstanding. I would give them at least a 10.
Thank you. And my last question is, would you ever refer us to any friends, family, neighbors, anything like that?
Absolutely. Actually, while they were here, my neighbors were inquiring about them. So absolutely, I would refer them.
Well, thanks very much, and we appreciate the work.
You're welcome.